This is a pretty interesting knife. I gotta show it to you. This might be a knife. I mean, like knife connoisseurs might never have seen this knife before. I picked it up years ago, and it's a super duper 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 dangerous, cut your fingers off, get hurt with knife. So be careful. It's more of a novelty, even though I have to say it's made pretty well. Have you ever seen a knife like that? And it cuts paper. I thought this was pretty cool, and I wanted to show it to you. Let me know what you think. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.